How would I describe the 2024 Steelhead season? Man.
Good? Dude, that was awesome. Holy shit.
It was unforgettable, and I say that for a lot of different reasons. I mean, the fishing, obviously, we had some really great days out there, but it's so much more than that. The Steelhead trips up here are just different. It's about the experience. It's about being in these wild places. It's easy to get hyper focused on the Steelhead. That's what we're all after. It's the goal. It's the reason for the trip. But it's important to be able to take a look around and enjoy where you are as well. We're big believers that, this place, the Tongass, is so much more than just the fish that come back here. The journey itself, just to get out to some of these places, is pretty amazing. Between the boat rides, the skiffs, the wildlife that we see on the way, a lot of marine mammals, things like that. Just that kind of is pretty special. And then you add into it that a lot of these rivers are pretty remote, and it's, before you even show up, a great trip. One thing we always ask ourselves is, do we want to be guiding, or do we want to be out here doing these trips just on our own and fishing? And this year, I think, really showed us why guiding is so amazing.
Yeah, try to reel it, give him a little bit.
Oh, God.
We made some really great friends this year. We had some friends come up and fish with us, and we were able to get some people on their very first steelhead of their lives. Some of them avid anglers that had never caught one before. And man, looking back at those memories, for me, it's even more special than the fish that I've caught myself. Those moments we'll have forever, and it kind of is something that we'll share for years and years. And that story for me is better than my catch.
Dude, that is awesome. Yeah! Gorgeous fish, man.
Yeah, we'll see what next year brings. But no matter what, we're excited. And I think it's going to be another great year.